Hello class, my name is Mr. Estrada. Today we're going to learn how to use order of operations. How many of you know what order of operation is? No one? Well, don't worry. I will be here to help you out. I will be teaching you how to use order of operations. Well, let's get going. First, we need to know what the word operation means. The word operation means that you can subtract, add, multiply, divide, and you can do several other things. If an isn't a number, it is probably not an operation. There are different things that students find easily to remember. For example, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Well, what does please excuse my dear Aunt Sally means? That is a short term for the word PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? Well, PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. As you can tell, we have different ways to express PEMDAS. So we're gonna start with the P for parentheses. Then it goes to exponents. After the exponents, it's multiplication. After multiplication, it's division. After division, it's addition. And after addition, it's subtraction. So we have PEMDAS. Well, let's take a look at this example. We have 6 divided by 3 plus 3, open parentheses, 2 plus 1, close parentheses, to the power 4. But now, let's do this example. Stop! First of all, we need to do this in the right order. If we calculate them in the wrong order, then we will get a wrong answer. So please, let's do this carefully. Together, we can do this. Well, in here, we have 6 divided by 3 plus 3, open parentheses, 2 plus 1, close parentheses, to the power 4. So, what do? Well, we are going to bring everything down but the parentheses. So 6 divided by 3 plus 3, open parentheses, 2 plus 1 equals 3, close parentheses, to the power 4. Remember, we have our synonym or PEMDAS. Remember what PEMDAS is? Okay, so now that we have 6 divided by 3 plus 3, open parentheses, 3, close parentheses, to the power 4, what do we do next? Remember that PEMDAS is P, E, N, D, A, S. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We already did the P for parentheses. Our next step is E. So what do? 6 divided by 3 plus 3. In here, we have to think what we do next. 3 to the power 4, what does that really mean? Well, it means that we had to take 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. The reason that we do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, it's because we are taking 3 times 4. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is repeating 4 times. This is what the 4 means. So what does 3 times 3 times 3 equals to? Well, 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. And 27 times 3 equals 81. So we do plus 81. Alright, So now we have 6 divided by 3 plus 3 plus 81. Notice that we do not have multiplication on this section. So we already did P and E. Our next step was multiplication. But since we do not have any multiplication, we don't need to do anything for this part. Alright, so now we finished with parentheses, exponents, multiplication. What's next after multiplication? Well, it's division, addition, and subtraction. We already finished parentheses, exponents, and multiplication. Our next one is division. So in here, where do we see a division problem? Well, we have 6 divided by 3 plus 3 plus 81. Alright, so now, how many times does the 6 fit in 3? So we have 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. So, which number is the one that we get to 6? 2. So we're going to have 2 plus 3 plus 81. Okay, so we have 2 plus 3 plus 81. And remember, PEMDAS, right? So, what have we done in here? We have finished parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division. Our next one is addition. So for addition, we're going to take 2 plus 3 plus 81. So our next step is to take 2 plus 3 plus 81. So 2 plus 3 equals 5 plus 81. So now that we've finished addition, we don't have any subtraction. So that we can't do anything for subtraction. So now we're going to take 5 plus 81. We can do 5 plus 81 in different ways. First of all, we could do it like that, or we could also do 81 plus 5. Whichever way you want to do it, you can still get the right answer. So, what is 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 equals 6. And now we bring down the number 8, and now we have 86. 86 is our final answer. Okay? Yay! We did it. Now you're an expert of doing PEMDAS. Be sure to follow PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's an easy way for you to remember order of operations. Congratulations. We'll see you soon.